friends, welcome to your software. How are you all? Hope you're fine. Okay, today we are going to see how to create a fixed window in 3dsmax. Before starting the class, I'm Yasmin. This is your software related civil and architect software knowledge. Give me a thumbs up and let's see the video. The standard size of window for a residential building height is 4 to 6 feet. Traditionally, windows were placed to match the height of the door.